Hello guys, welcome to Mindset Hustle channel. I am your boy Moses, and today I'm bringing you a wonderful tutorial on a freelancing website called Fiverr. Okay, so if you are a beginner who is looking for a service, a wonderful service to be done for you, the one site or the number one site that I recommend for you is Fiverr. And a lot of people don't know how to select a product on Fiverr. So today I'm here to take you through a step-by-step guide on how to select a product or select a service on Fiverr and then get the job done for you at as low as $5. Okay, so let's look at a quick overview of what Fiverr is. So I'm going to take you to my blog, okay, ecomindset.com, and then we are going there to look at the overview of what Fiverr is. So on my blog there, I've given a detailed review on Fiverr for both sellers and buyers. So if you want to know the in-depth review of Fiverr, you can navigate to my blog. I'll leave a link to my blog in the description of this video. So after watching this video, you can navigate to my blog and read the detailed review of the article on the review of Fiverr. Now, before going to my blog, if this is your first time here on my channel, please consider smashing the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification button so that I stay notified anytime we release a new video. If you are getting a value from the content I am providing for you guys, please consider liking this video and also leave me a comment in the comment section telling me what you have learned from this video and what you would like me to improve upon in my subsequent videos. Without much ado, let's dive into today's video. Right guys, alright, so this is my blog, ecomindset.com, and this is just the portion of the article that we need right now just to look at what this Fiverr is all about. Okay, so Fiverr was founded in 2010, okay, as an online marketplace for freelancing services. This platform has its concept to allow users both offer and purchase various types of digital service. So in today's video, we are going to look at the purchasing side of Fiverr. Okay, I'm going to take you through the purchasing side of Fiverr, that is as a buyer, okay, who is looking for a freelancer worker. How are you going to go into the process of getting one to get the job done for you? So please don't skip this video, stay till the end, and at the end I have a surprise for you. All right, so Fiverr is a two-sided website where users may make money and or employ freelancers workers from a large pool of high quality specialists to help them with their enterprise. So we have some numerous or huge category of things done on Fiverr. We have things like video editing, writing, graphic design, translating, programming, and other services, including web designing and co. So any service at all you need can be gotten from Fiverr. So that is a quick overview of Fiverr. Now, before you can do anything at all on Fiverr, okay, you need an account. You need an account. So first of all, I'll quickly take you through the process of creating an account with Fiverr. Alright guys, so quickly you go to where they say join. Okay, so when you go to Fiverr, so I'll leave a link in the description to the website Fiverr. And guys, if you want a 20%, a whooping 20% discount on your first purchase, click on the link in the description of this video so that it will take you through to what Fiverr. You create an account with that link, and then on your first purchase you are going to get a whopping 20% discount on any service that you purchase. So you click on join, and then they'll give you options, so you can join with your Facebook account, you can join with your Google account, you can join with your Apple account, or you can choose to what, just type your hot email. So I'm going to use my email. Okay, I prefer to enter my email. Once you are done, you click on continue. Alright, so they'll ask you to what, choose a username and password. So I'm gonna enter my username, Kofi002, and then I'm gonna choose a password. Okay, your password is your secret word. Okay, without a password you cannot log into your account, so you have to keep that password safely somewhere. Once you are done, you click on join. Guys, in case I am going very fast, please do well to pause this video and follow step by step. I don't want to make this video very lengthy, so I'm kind of going very fast. Alright, so once you do that, it will bring you to this place, okay, and it will say Kofi002, you need to activate your account. So they've sent me an email, so I have to go to my Gmail. Okay guys, so go to my Gmail, and then I'll log into my email that I use for the account creation, so that we can verify our email address. So I'll click on Fiverr, activate account. So click on activate your account. Alright, so as you can see, account successfully activated. Hey, this is a great time to edit your profile. Don't worry, right now all that you need to do is to just click on edit profile, or you can come over here where you see the icon, you click on it, and then you can go to your dashboard, and from there you proceed with the edit, or you can just click here and then to take you over here. So all you need to do is, all they need from you is for you to what, put your full name. Okay, enter your full name, and then you save changes. After that, they'll ask you some few other questions, the reason. Okay, no, sorry, this is for account deactivation. So once you are done with entering your name, you click on save changes, please. Save changes, and then you are done with updating your profile. All right guys, good. Now that is a quick overview of how to create an account on Fiverr, and as I said, I'll leave a link in the description of this video, where when you register with that link, you are going to get a whopping 20% discount on your first purchase. Good guy. So now, one thing you need to do in order to find a service, a good service on Fiverr, is to navigate to their homepage. So let's say we are on their homepage, Fiverr homepage, and then we need a service. So for instance, let's say I am a let's say I'm a blogger, okay, and then I don't have much time for writing my article, so I need somebody to write the articles for me. I can come to Fiverr and look for article. So you click inside this search button, and then you type article. Okay, so as you can see, suggested the article writing. All right, so this is going to bring us all those that provide services concerning article writing. So as you can see here, this guy said, I'll write unique, engaging, and high quality articles and posts. So this guy will write unique and high quality articles, okay, and post for you. Okay, and as you can see here, he has completed 128 jobs and is having a rating of 5.0. Okay guys, now one thing about Fiverr is when you want to what, apply for a service, or when you want to hire somebody to work on a service for you, make sure the person have a high rating, but that high rating should be from at least over 100 people. Normally I'll even say over 200 people. Okay, look for somebody has completed over 200 orders and is still having, like for instance this guy over here said I'll write a high quality SEO article or blog post, and it has done 617 hoping orders and still had 5.0 rating. So somebody like that, you can just right click and open. Let's open this in a separate tab. So you now come to his profile. All right guys, so his basic, this person for instance, his basic pricing is $70, and that would be 500 words of high quality SEO article, blog post on any topic in 24 hours. So his premium price is 110, and that is for 1000 words. Okay, good. Now what you are going to do is, if you don't have this huge budget, okay, let's say you are a beginner, you don't have this huge budget, just come where we did the search. You come over here, and where they say budget, okay, over here you click on it, right? Then in this you type minimum $5, maximum $5. That's if that is the only budget you have. Okay, and you click on apply. So you can see that still with $5 we have over 20,259 services available to write your blog post for you for as low as $5. For as low as $5. So all you need to do is to scroll through all these guys to see somebody with high rating and has completed more jobs, okay, so that you'll be sure that yes, this person is very good and can deliver for you. All right guys, so let's see who has a okay, so this guy has about 196 work done and has 5.0 reviews. This guy have 164 works done and 5.6 reviews. So I'll go with this guy here. All right, so let's see. Good. So he said I'll write an article of 1,000 words according to SEO. Okay, but that is premium. If you see, so with the premium you are going to get $15. That's going to be $15, and it's going to be plagiarism free well research article. Over here the same thing, but for $10, and that is 2 articles. You get 2 articles. With the premium you get 3 articles, 3 500 word articles. So sometimes you will have to come down here and read about the gig. So here you can see welcome and thanks for making to my gig. If you are looking for a quality blah blah blah, okay, then you have to read the details of his gig that he provides, the service that he provides. So now let's say you want to go in for this service, this guy's service, okay, then you can, if you want to first contact him before ordering for the service, you cannot click on contact me, and then you give him a message. You can say hi, I will like you to write an article on relationship for me. Sorry, relationship specifically specifically. All right, so basically what I'm trying to show you here is you just message him, give him what you want him to do for you or what you like him to do for you. You let him know, you write it to him, then you click on what, send. Okay, and he will respond to you. Or you can just, if you feel you are okay with what you have seen, you can just click on continue over here. And then when you come down here, if you want extra fast 1 day delivery, okay, if you think the number of days he has given you for delivery is not enough for you, you can choose to add an extra this thing to it. That means you pay extra. Okay, you pay extra. Now, though we said the basic amount here is $5, Fiverr charges a service fee of what, $2.28. So at the end of the day, you'll be paying roughly, like, let's say $8, okay, for that service. Now, if you want more than one article, you can choose the quantity of article you want. So for instance, let's say 3 articles. So if you want 3 articles, that is $15. Okay, so you are paying, so you will select the quantity of articles you want. If you want 10 articles, you select 10 articles. Okay, all right guys, so that is it. Once you are done, so let's say you want to him to write 10 articles for you, all you are going to do is, once you select that, you click on what, continue to check out. All right, so once you do that, once you click on continue to check out, you come to this page here, all right, where you fill in your card details. That is if you are paying with card. But if you are paying with PayPal, you just select PayPal and then you enter your details. After clicking on PayPal checkout, you enter your details. But if you are using a debit card, you enter your card number, your expiration date, your security code, your full name, first name, last name, and then you come and click on confirm payment. Once that is done, it will take you to the next page where they will say submit your requirement. What that means is the topic on which you want a person to write the articles for you. You select that, you give him those details, and then you research and write articles based on that for you. All right guys, if you are gaining any value in this video, then consider leaving me a like. And also, if there is something you would like me to know or you would like me to make a video on, leave me a comment in the comment section, or you can message me on Telegram. I'll leave the link to my Telegram in the description, and also my WhatsApp also will be in the description of this video. You can message me on WhatsApp if you need any help or any assistance. In case you are finding difficulty, you can hit me up and I'll be right there to assist you. Okay guys, so until next time, see you guys.